Hello guys! Welcome again to our YouTube channel, and now we will be answering multiple questions that you guys sent and as well as posted sa mga social media platforms natin. So first question, attorney, totoo po ba ito? May kuha po kasi yung pinsan ko sa home credit at di na niya nabayaran. Nakatira na siya ngayon sa bukid. Hindi niya daw ito mahulugan. Makakasuhan po ba siya? May natanggap po kasi siya na notice na text na mai-issuean siya ng warrant of arrest. Totoo po ba ito? So first, let's clarify first the obligation, ang nature ng obligation nyo sa home credit. So kung utang, that is considered a civil obligation. So if makakasuhan kayo, yung ikakaso sa inyo, most probably it's a civil case, either for collection of sum of money, depende sa amount involved, or small claims, if below 1 million. Okay? So, second, yung warrant of arrest, ini-issue lang po yung warrant of arrest kung ang kasong i-file sa inyo is a criminal case. Kung civil case, walang warrant. Okay? Again, ulitin ko, may warrant of arrest lang kung ang kasong isinampas sa inyo is a criminal case. Okay? Pag hindi criminal case or civil case lang yan, walang warrant of arrest. Okay? Take note that kung utang lang, sabi ng saligang batas natin, ng ating constitution, there's no imprisonment for non-payment of debt. Okay? Yung pinag-uusapan dito is utang. So, pure utang lang, hindi ka makukulong. Kaya nga, hindi criminal case yung ipa-file. Pag hindi ka nakabayad ng utang mo, hindi ka pa-file ng criminal case dahil sa constitutional prohibition of no imprisonment for non-payment of debt. Ipa-file lang sa'yo is civil case either for collection or small claims, as the case may be. Okay? So, second, regarding doon sa notice daw na may warrant kayo, is pinadala through text, beware na lang kasi yung mga correspondence from the court, hindi yun pinapadala through text. Pinapadala yun through registered mail. Okay? Walang text. Hindi nagte-text yung korte. Not unless kung abogado kayo tapos marireset yung hearing nyo. Pero kung mga warrant, hindi yun pinapadala through text kasi madi-defeat yung purpose. Hindi pinapadala yun in advance kasi what if na lang tumakas yung akusado, no? So, beware na lang sa mga ganitong klaseng messages, okay?